These are the things that are so annoying that as a homeowner, you have to fix or pay someone to fix after people who are incompetent comes in and do work in your house. Renovation, nightmares, irritations when you think you're doing something. So I'm doing videos on putting these in. And look at this. You see this? Like, what an idiot. Like, why would you cut the drywall out so big like that? This is going to go here, and then I'm going to have this whole big old ridiculous piece. This is going to go actually here. Look at that. Like, that is just absolutely ridiculous. Why? 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 Like, oh my gosh, man. Like, this is crazy. I'm still putting the faceplate on, and I'm going to take the picture to Menards and see if they can tell me, other than like trying to fill it in and caulk it and spackle and all that other stuff, is there any other way? That's probably going to be the only way, but we'll see. This is the single mom versus the fixer-upper. Oh my Lord. Stay tuned. I have lots of videos coming showing you how to do things in your home and how to prevent and rectify things that will save you money and save you energy. All right, later, Gators. Talk to me in the comments. I'll talk back.